Murphy, you're a prince, perfect in a pinch. Everybody knows it. Never ask them why when they raise the bar up high. Just took one step and cleared it. As the Roman candles do what Roman candles do. The 4th of July has been redefined. Murphy, don't look down, there's water all around the great Atlantic Ocean. She ate her bottom lip as your mother made the trip to take her baby boy home. And the Roman candles, well, they got nothing on you, 'cause you're draped in red and white and blue. Murphy, don't look now, we've thrown you to the hounds who'd gladly eat each other, but tonight they're dining out. So Murphy, be a pal and forgive what we do.